Tech, and I am super excited to share with you all that we are now announcing our MAG19 EXT, which is a complete 20-round magazine for Glock-19 style pistols. That includes the Dagger Compact, RXN, anything that takes a 15-round Glock mag. So this is a 20-round magazine, 15-round body with our +5 extension, which you can buy the extension kits on their own as well as the MAG19 +5. So we'll go over features of these in its entirety, how to take them down, how to put them back together. It is completely simple, no set screws, so say goodbye to your set screws. This, to me, what's so exciting for us is everything we learned about extensions to date are kind of culminated here with these products. We have our side scallops for blind indexing that lets you identify where your magazine is and get the proper orientation without looking at it. Great texture in the side. Aesthetically, we really went with the direction on our first rendition to match the Glock OEM frames. And these will fit into USPSA limited class gauges. One of the most exciting features of these extensions is over time we've learned the importance of fitting with magwells. These will fit with literally anything that takes a 15-round Glock mag. There's no magwell you can buy. There's no variant you can run that these will not fit. So really proud of these products. And so we'll jump into more of the tech features as we do the install with you and show you how to lock and load these guys. They are shipping now. We're now live. So here we have our 15-round Glock magazine, Glock style magazine. This will work with either our magazines or any Glock OEM magazine. The process will be identical. Here we have the contents of our MTX 19 +5. If you bought the MAG19 EXT combo, this will also be helpful because it will show you how to field strip, service, etc. your magazines. So the entire contents of the extension kit are shown here. So we've got our extended 17/7 stainless steel spring, as you would expect from us, with your spring button, and then you've got your inner and outer housing. So we're just going to pull these two apart. Step one is going to be take the spring assembly and place it into the inner housing. You're going to want to make sure it kind of seats at the bottom there flush. And then we're going to come over here, and you can grab any Glock tool. This is a modified for mass production X-Tech tool, but just stick that in the spring button dimple there on the magazine and pull it forward, and then you're going to slide the base plate forward. The extension kits are designed to work with our existing followers you get in our MAG19 15, same follower, or any Glock OEM follower. So I'm going to take the follower, I'm going to take the body, I'm going to set the spring assembly and base plate to the side. From there, I'm going to put the follower onto the top of the spring. You'll see it'll kind of key in there, and then place that into the magazine tube. Next step is you see this leading edge here, which is one of our patent elements. This is going to remove any catch point. So there's a reason OEM Glock and Ruger and other manufacturers never done more than a +2 extension. And that's because if you do 2 rounds, the top of the follower never gets below the magazine tube. If you do 3 rounds, it leaves the tube and ends up in the extension. Well, there's a catch point when you go to come back up. So this leading edge eliminates that catch point. It's also another point of engagement for strength of retention. So for install, we're just going to set that in where you can no longer see that leading edge. And then you're going to put your outer housing over the front like so. And then just depress your spring button and slide it forward. Now you're fully installed. Now for disassembly, all you're going to do, so the one thing we have to overcome here, just to point out ahead of time, is you got the tabs on the side of the magazine on both our magazines and the Glock OEM. So we intentionally have a recess behind it so that you're not constantly fighting the spring button trying to reset. So just take a pen, whatever you have handy, depress the spring button, push it forward. So now you can see that spring button is staying depressed. From there, we need some sort of small pry tool. It could be a car key, it could be a file, it could be a flathead. And all we're trying to do is get this side surface over this bump. So it doesn't take much. Kind of hold on to everything as you do it. And just pop it over those tabs. And now you have it taken down. And when you're ready to go, just push it back in, slide over the front. You're good to go.